Hello, John Talley here with Partzilla.com, and welcome back to our continuing series on our barn find 2017 Kawasaki ZX-14R. Well, she's up and running, the fuel system's been cleaned out, the basics have been taken care of, but now before we ride it, we really need to do something about the tires. Now, it's been sitting up for over 5 years, so we know the tires that are on it are at least 5 years old. And I would imagine they've been on the machine even longer than that. So let's bring it up, take a look at the tires that are on it before we put on the new tires. And we'll talk more about the new tires that I chose for this later in the video. So let's go. Okay, so what do we have on the back? Well, it's not OEM. This is looks like a Shinko tire, which is a good tire. Still got some tread left on it. Why would I not want to run it? Well, the answer lies right here. That 18 tells me that this was manufactured in 2018. That makes it coming up on 8 years old when this video is done, or it will be turning 8 this year. Now, there's just no way I would throw this bike into a corner trusting that that little strip right there, which is hard as a brick, is going to grab and make it around. That's just no. Simple no. So that is why we were replacing the rear. Now, as bad and as old as this one is, you're not going to believe what the front looks like. Let's go take a peek. Looks to be a Bridgestone battle axe. And this one, its battle is done. I mean, look at it. No tread left, cord showing, and the build date for this tire shows 2015. Way out of spec in every single parameter. So there's no question that both the front, especially the front, and the rear tires need to be replaced on this one. So let's put some new shoes on this girl and take her out for a spin. So she's off, chain looking a little iffy. We can try, re-oiling it, re-lubing it and see how it does. Sprockets, they look fine. That's in good shape. The tire, part of me wishes I would have left it on there and taken it out in the parking lot and roasted off those, what's left of the tread on here. But more importantly, let's talk about the tire that we're going to replace this one with. All right, so the set I decided to go with is from Pirelli. They're the Angel GT series. And these are specifically made for, well, grand touring machines. They have great handling characteristics. They do well in the water, but what they excel at is dealing with the extra weight of something like this or an FJR compared to just putting a regular super sport tire on here, which is going to be, well, it's too much weight for it and it's going to wear prematurely. So let's get these shoes laced up and see how she does. And just like that, snap my fingers and it magically just changes directions. Well, all right, guys, there you go. Probably one of my least favorite things to do on a machine. Well, listen, if you need these or any other parts or tools for your machine, why don't you come see us at Partzilla.com and we can get you taken care of. Have any questions or comments about this video? Leave them in the section below and I'll do my best to answer them. And hey, if you like what you see, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell. That way you can keep up with whatever I'm working on next. We just want to say thank you for shopping here at Partzilla, and we will see you in the next video. Y'all have a great day.